and welcome to the Phonics Channel with me, Mr. Tom, and this is the home of phonics for adult learners, a place where we can practice our communication, pronunciation, and reading skills together. Okay, so let's jump into today's lesson. Okay, we have the E and W letters making one sound, and it can make the OO sound. So this is part 4 of the long OO or U vowel sound, okay? So it can make the OO sound, OO, 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 OO. Okay, so let's put this OO sound into some words then. And the first word we have today is stew, okay? Stew, S-T-Oo, stew, S-T-Oo, stew. I am eating some stew, okay? S-T-Oo, stew. 4 letters, 3 sounds in the word stew there. Okay, next one is grew, grew, G-R-U, grew, gr-oo, grew, G-R-U, grew. We got 2 adjacent consonants here, so we need to blend them together quickly to make the gr sound. Gr-oo, grew. I grew taller because I ate all of my stew, you could say. Okay, I grew taller because I ate all of my stew, all of my mother's stew at home. Okay, super. So let's go on to our final word with the OO sound, 2 letters making the OO sound here, which is renew, renew, R-E-N-U, renew, R-E-N-U, renew. Okay, maybe your subscription to a video service, Netflix, has expired and you need to renew the subscription. Renew, renew. Okay, I need to renew my subscription. How many letters does renew have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters. How many sounds? Renew. 4 sounds in renew. So let's go through them all again together. Say it with me, please. Okay, so we can practice our pronunciation together. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, stew, st-oo, stew, grew, gr-oo, grew, and renew, r-e-n-oo, renew. Okay, great, so let's go on to our next section where this 2 letter sound, E and W, makes the U sound. See there? Okay, so now we have the same 2 letter sound making the U sound. So sometimes it can make the OO sound, sometimes it can make the U sound. U, U, U. So EW can make the U sound as well as the OO sound. So let's put the U sound into some words then. Okay, and the first word is few, few. You, few, you, few. I have a few different coloured markers here. Okay, I have a different couple, few different markers. You, few, 3 letters and 2 sounds. You, few. Okay, next one is skew, skew, you, skew, sk-you, skew. We've got 2 adjacent consonants here, sk. We want to blend them together to make a sk sound. Sk, 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 you, skew. Sometimes the camera is a different skew and I need to skew it back into place. Skew, sk, you, skew. So you put 4 letters, 3 sounds there. And next one, or the last one, is curfew. Curfew. You. Curfew. You. Curfew. You. Curfew. My curfew is 8 o'clock. I need to be back in the house by 8 at night. That is my curfew. Could be a sentence. You curfew. Okay, how many letters does curfew have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters. How many sounds? You. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sounds for curfew. Great. So now let's say them all again together. Make sure you're saying at home to practice your phonics skills. And we have the U sound. U. Few. You. Few. Skew. You. Skew. And curfew. You. Curfew. Okay, super. So thank you very much for joining me today on the Phonics channel, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye. Thank you very much for watching the Phonics channel today. Please leave a like on the video, and also please subscribe to the channel so you can see future phonics videos. Also, feel free to share it with your friends so they can improve their phonics as well, and feel free to leave a comment on the video as well. Also, check out the links in the description of the video as well. Have a great day.